Have you ever wanted to make YouTube videos, but you don't want to be on camera? Maybe you don't like being on video, or you just want a simpler way to create content. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make professional-looking videos using AI without showing your face at all. This is perfect for beginners, side hustlers, or anyone starting over online. To do this, you only need 3 things: a YouTube account, an idea for your video, and an AI video tool. One of the easiest tools to use for this is called InVideo AI, which automatically creates videos for you using text, images, voice, and music. You don't need editing skills, and you don't need expensive software. Here's how it works. Inside InVideo AI, you simply type what you want your video to be about. For example, you might type something like, "Create a video about staying motivated while starting something new." The AI then creates a full video for you, including scenes, visuals, captions, and even a voiceover if you want one. You can choose a male or female AI voice, background music, video style, and even the pacing. Everything is done for you. This means you can create motivational videos, educational videos, product videos, or YouTube shorts, all without ever turning on a camera. This is powerful because it removes the biggest fear people have about YouTube being on screen. You don't need a fancy camera, good lighting, or a perfect background. You just need an idea and a tool. People are using this to build YouTube channels, grow TikTok accounts, create faceless brands, and even promote products online, all from a laptop or phone. If you want to try this for yourself, I've put a link below to the same AI video tool I'm using. You can click that link, create a free account, and start testing it right away. Once you're inside, just type your idea, choose your style, and let the AI do the work. You can then download your video and upload it directly to YouTube, TikTok, or anywhere else. If you want more simple, beginner-friendly tools like this to help you build online, make sure to subscribe to the Starter Studio. This channel is all about learning how to build using digital tools even if you're starting from zero. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.